Well, hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make you up some cornmeal porridge Jamaican style. So if you want to know how me cook cornmeal porridge in my kitchen, come on and let's roll.
Cause it's the Indian, just like a cocoon, girl, I wanna wrap you up. Don't wanna let you go, girl, I wanna keep it up.
Here I have some cornmeal in here. This is 1 cup of pure cornmeal, alright? Don't use a harsh, tough cornmeal, you know. Use a nice, smooth cornmeal. If you want it to taste really good, use a smooth cornmeal. You're going to need some nutmeg, cinnamon powder, vanilla, sweetened condensed milk, any brand of your choice, salt, and now God, this is optional. This is coconut milk. Now I like to put coconut milk in almost all of my porridge that I make because it gives it that island flavor that everybody wants. And if you want people to come back and drink your porridge, you better have some coconut milk in your cornmeal porridge or any porridge, right? Alright, so come on and let's roll with this. So here you go guys. Now I have a pot of hot water that is boiling. It has to be really hot, coming to a full boil. This is exactly 2 cups of water in here. Now my mixture here, I have another cup of water that I add to the cornmeal, and then I put a half can of the coconut cream into the measuring container, right? Mix it all together, and then you start pouring it into the hot boiling water. Alright, and you have to continue to stir, because if you stop stirring, then the thing won't get lumpy, and you don't want a lumpy porridge. Right, so just take your time and stir and all that. Now if it gets too thick, you just want to go ahead and add water to it, or you can add milk to it. Depends on how creamy you want to have your porridge. Alright, so just continue stirring. Okay guys, so here you have it. Everything come nice and smooth, right? So see, it's supposed to look like this. You don't want no lump in your porridge, so continue to stir. While you're stirring, you go ahead and you add your vanilla in. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of vanilla. I was going to put like a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in here, and then also going to put a pinch of nutmeg in here. Then to that I'm going to add some salt, just a pinch of salt. I don't want too much salt in my food. Now it's starting to get really thick, so once again, like I said before, you can either add water to it or you can add milk. Alright, any kind of milk, whole milk, any kind of milk. You can even put evaporated milk in it if you like. So I'm just going to add water to mine and stir. Now what I'm going to do here guys, I'm going to cover it up on low heat because I don't want it to burn. So I want the cornmeal to cook. So I'm just going to put it here on low heat. If you want to add more water to it, if it's too thick, you can add more water to it, but turn it on low heat and let it cook for at least 20 to 25 minutes. So I'll see you back here in about 20 minutes. Alright guys, the cornmeal has been cooking for about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to sweeten this porridge. I have the sweetened condensed milk here, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in. I'm going to use about a half can. Now if you want it sweeter than this, you could add more than a half can. If you even want it sweeter, you can add more milk, or you can add some sugar. But I don't want no sugar in mine. I just want pure milk, and I don't want it too sweet either. Trying to cut down, right, on the sweet. So all you have to do is just mix it up in there. Go ahead and mix it all in. And when I get done mixing this up, and what I'm going to do next with it, I'm going to put it on a plate, serve it up with some crackers, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on that plate, and I'm going to be ready to eat it. So this is what it should look like when you're all done guys. That's it. Alright guys, here you have it again. Cornmeal porridge Jamaican style. I'm serving it up with some water crackers on the side. You can add some butter to them crackers if you like. Once again, enjoy it, subscribe and like. Let me tell me how you like it. Alright. And once again, guys, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy!
Just like a cocoon, girl, I wanna wrap you up. Don't wanna let you go, girl, I wanna keep it up. And if distance separates us and things are tough, as long as you know, girl, I wanna wrap you in my arms. Baby, let me